recording it started or not? Yes, it started. Okay. So just look at here in a Cardan's method. First thing what we do for the given for the given third order polynomial equation, just we try to convert coefficient of x cube into 1 by dividing that value coefficient, right? Then after that we will try to reduce x square term. But how it is possible? By substituting this value. By this substitution, that is y minus L by 3, and when we do this you will not have any square term, you will have only cubic term, cubic first term and constant. Is it okay beta? So second power term will be reduced here by substitution. Then after that, by the substitution y is equal to u plus v, you will find something this type of pattern, and you will compare this with the equation 2. Beta, just we have written all these steps, right beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
And what about this one also beta? Have we written? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So it's base के अगर कोई example करें then comparison करते जाए तो that will be good. Okay. Right beta?
Yes, sir.
So first, write down this example. Find the roots of x cube minus 15x square minus 33x plus 847 equal to 0. And already we are given into this x cube coefficient is 1. So we don't want to divide anything. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, just as per this Cardan's method, already given into the proper form, right? And from this, we want to identify L because we want to discuss this L into the next term. So what is L? The coefficient of x square, that is minus 15. And we will try to substitute x is equal to y minus L by 3. That means we will replace x by y plus 5 into this equation 1. Is it okay, beta? Are you getting this idea?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So just write down this, and after that just try to substitute this x is equal to y plus 5 into the equation 1 and try to simplify this. Expansion करके मुझे बताओ कि what are you getting here? You will have cubic equation in variable y. So just do the simplification and give me answer. I think all of you are trying, right?
And it simplified to y cube minus 108
y plus 532 is equal to.
Okay. So, just what is your answer, beta?
Ma'am, I am getting 532 as option. That's my
Five.
question.
Okay, let us verify again.
No, ma'am, it's right.
Hmm. And I will check here. Y2 plus 125 minus 15 minus 165.
Yes, ma'am, it's right.
This one is right.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what about others, beta? Are you getting this answer? This cubic equation? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now just what is next? So just we will try to take y is equals to u plus v, and as per this y is equal to u plus v, we can represent it into this manner, right? Y cube minus 3uvy minus u cube plus v cube equal to 0. And after that we will try to compare them. And by the comparison, 3uv is equals to 108 and u cube plus v cube will be minus 432. Is it okay, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
So from this we can have alpha into beta and alpha plus beta. That means we can represent any quadratic equation from the alpha plus beta and into alpha into beta. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
So just complete your work up to this line, then I will go for the next slide. Is it done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now the next we will use these two roots alpha beta for to represent any quadratic equation, and we know that to represent any quadratic equation we can have x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta equal to 0. Am I right, beta? From roots we can have quadratic equation.
Yes, ma'am.
So similarly we can use this concept for the roots u cube and v cube. That means can we have any quadratic equation into this manner? T square minus summation of two roots plus, is it okay, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now just we will just what is done here, we have compared with this. We have tried to generate this type of equation. So that will be t square plus 432t and 36 whole cube. So just what are we doing here? We will try to find values of u and v. right? By this concept of the quadratic equation. So just look at here. From this quadratic equation, we can have roots. So what do you say? Which roots are here? From this t square plus 432t plus 6 raised to 6.
Ma'am, could you please repeat this step and explain this?
What beta?
Could you please explain this previous step once again after t square plus qt minus? Yes, yes, from this.
What beta? Is it okay?
Ma'am, could you please explain the previous step from t square plus qt minus t raised to 3 by 27 equal to 0 from that?
नो बेटा जस्ट ये मैंने जो लिखा है ना वो हमारे पास जो मेथड है ना हमारे पास वो मेथड का स्टेप लिखा है दिस वी डोंट वांट टू यूज दिस वन सिर्फ मैं वहां पे कंपेयर करके आपको दिखा रही हूँ कि वहां पे ये स्टेप हमें चाहिए एंड दिस स्टेप इज नथिंग बट द फ्रॉम दिस सो वी आर नॉट यूजिंग दिस बट वी आर यूजिंग दिस वन इज इट ओके
Okay, ma'am. So it's just for comparison.
यस ये मैंने सिर्फ और सिर्फ मेथड में जो कंपैरिजन में लिखा है ना कि वहां पे ये लाना है सो दैट इज व्हाई जस्ट आई हैव रिटन हियर अदरवाइज वी डोंट वांट टू राइट दिस इज इट ओके बेटा एट द टाइम ऑफ सॉल्यूशन वी डोंट वांट टू राइट इट
Okay, ma'am.
ओके नाउ जस्ट लुक एट हियर
Ma'am,
तो व्हाट बेटा
ma'am, 216 minus 216
216
minus 216.
कहाँ पे
Both are
बेटा
minus 21. Roots.
okay roots sorry so just you are talking about the root right so we have minus 6 cube and minus 6 cube that means see what is t here so just we have told here that two roots are u cube and v cube that means u cube equal to minus 6 cube and v cube is equals to also minus 6 cube is it okay beta
Yes, ma'am.
so from this we can have u and v both are minus 6 and we will try to substitute this u and v into y and from this y we can have x value that is minus 7 so from this step just what we say this x equal to minus 7 is one of the root from the given equation and from this one of the root we will try to find another remaining roots by using synthetic division method. Are you familiar with the synthetic division method? Hello? Are you familiar with the synthetic division method, beta? Yes or no? Hello? No answer. I think all of you are writing. Okay, if you don't want to say anything. So minus 7 is one of the root and by the synthetic division we can find another roots by doing this x plus 7 into x square minus 22x plus 121 and from there we can have another two roots. So this is nothing but the Cardan's method to find roots of cubic equation. So just write it down this. Then I will go for the next example. Sorry. So, is it over? Hello?
Yes.
Okay. All the students, beta, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, what are we doing here into this Cardan's method? What is first step? What is first
X
step?
equals to y minus L by 3.
But before that, y minus L by 3, before that, we will try to check this. X cube coefficient is 1 or not. If yes, then we will do directly y minus L by 3. But if no, then first we have to divide it, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Then after that, from this y minus L by 3, we will have any x. So we will try to substitute this x into the given equation. Not given equation, but by dividing whatever you find, just substitute into that. Right? And by doing this, you will have any cubic equation without any second term. Without any power 2 term. Not second term, but power 2 term. And we will try to compare this with this standard equation. And by this comparison, you will find multiplication of 2 root and addition of 2 root. Is it okay, beta? Hello? Are you okay with the method? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So write down another example. Right now, don't try this one. We will try it later on. Okay, write down this example. Find the roots of x cube minus 18x plus 35 equal to 0. So first step, we have to check x cube coefficient. If it is 1, then directly we will do next step. Otherwise, what do you say?
We have to make it 1 by dividing.
Yes, we have to make it 1. Acha, so what to do for this question?
Here L is 0, x equals to y.
Yes, that means that directly we will having x equal to y, right? So already our requirement, what is our requirement? To x square wali term we want to remove it, and it is already given into that form. Right, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now then after that we will compare this with one of the standard equation, that is by the substitution of y equal to u plus v. So what are we getting here by the comparison?
uv equals to 6.
Yes, uv is equal to 6. So from this uv equal to 6, we need to write u cube into v cube is equals to 6 cube.
Okay.
Right, beta? Because we want, for the next step, we want u cube and v cube as a roots. And u cube plus v cube will be minus 35, right? Beta, is it over all these steps? from this slide?
Yes.
Shall I go for the next?
Yes.
Okay, okay. So now by the comparison, we will have UV is equal to 6 and U cube plus V cube equal to minus 35. So U cube into V cube equal to 6 cube and addition. So from this, we can have second order equation, that is quadratic equation t square plus 35t plus 6 cube equal to 0. So roots for this, what do you say? Roots of this equation?
6.
6 and both are 6.
Minus 8 comma 20 minus 27.
Minus, just what do you say beta? Minus
Yes, ma'am. Minus 27,
Min-
minus.
Minus 8
minus
comma
8 comma
27.
27.
yes, minus 27 and minus 8, right? Okay, so from this just what can we say? So one of the root is minus 2 cube and another root is minus 3 cube. Is that okay beta?
Yes, ma'am.
So u is equal to minus 2 and v is equal to minus 3. Now what to do next? So
Y.
y is equal to u plus v, that is minus
Minus
5, and x and y both are same. So we can have one of the root minus 5 of the given equation. Now what is next? Remaining roots. What about this remaining roots? So what do you get beta?
The quadratic equation will be x square minus 5x plus 7.
Square minus 5x plus 7, right? And roots for this?
5 divided
What?
whole divided by 2.
क्या बोल रहे हो बेटा?
And two roots are 5 plus or minus iota root 3 whole divided by 2.
Yes, yes, yes. 5 plus or minus I root 3 upon 2, right? So the roots are minus 5 and 5 plus or minus iota under root 3 divided by 2. So complete this work. So are you done? All the students, beta, are you finished this work?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
So let's try another example. That is, we have left here. Okay. So write down this example. Find the roots of 2x cube minus 7x square plus 8x minus 3 is equal to 0. So initially, what to do here?
Whole divided by 2.
Coefficient of
Whole
x.
divided by 2.
Yes, whole equation divide by 2. And when we do this, you will have L is equals to minus 7 by 2. Right? Okay. Then what is next step?
X equals to y minus L by 3.
એક મિનિટ સર હું લેક્ચર ફિનિશ થાય પછી રિંગ કરું તમને હા 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 સર એક જ મિનિટ સર હા હા હોલ્ડ okay sorry so just what do you say beta y is equals to sorry x is equal to
Y plus 7 by 6.
yes y plus 7 by 6 now just look at here we are doing little bit simplification because just you can observe here कि अगर हम x equal to y plus 7 by 6 इस equation में substitute करें तो equation will contain fraction values. Is it okay बेटा? Coefficients, all the coefficients will be in a fraction form, p by q form. Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
सो व्हाट हैपन कि जब हमें ये फैक्टराइजेशन करना है मतलब लिटिल बिट थोड़ा सा कॉम्प्लिकेशन क्रिएट हो सकता है एंड मे बी पॉसिबल कि थोड़े से मिस्टेक भी हो सके सो बिकॉज ऑफ दिस अगर हमें रिड्यूस करना है इस टाइप का वर्क देन जस्ट व्हाट इज डन हियर कि जो भी इक्वेशन है जस्ट मल्टीप्लाई विद दिस इक्वेशन मल्टीप्लिसिटी ऑफ 6 मीन्स व्हाट कि फर्स्ट जो भी 2x क्यूब है उसके साथ 6 रेज टू 0 मल्टीप्लाई करो देन सेकेंड टर्म 6 रेज टू 1 मल्टीप्लाई करो थर्ड टर्म 6 स्क्वायर मल्टीप्लाई करो एंड लास्ट टर्म 6 क्यूब मल्टीप्लाई करो जस्ट लाइक बाइनोमियल थ्योरम तो व्हाट हैपन अगर हम ये करें ना तो हमारा L विल बी whole number, not any fraction form. Is it okay, beta? So for the simplicity and for the conveniency, just we are doing this step. आप डायरेक्ट करना चाहो तो भी कर सकते हो, और अगर for the simplicity, if you want to multiply all this thing, you can do it. And by doing this, L will be minus 21, so and X will be Y plus 7. So write down these steps into your copy. Is it done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now by the substitution of this x equal to y plus 7 in equation 1, just we have another equation in a cubic form. So what is equation here, beta? Are you getting this type of equation? Just verify, beta. Hello?
Yes.
All the students, beta, are you getting this equation? By the substitution of x equal to y plus 7 into
Yes.
the given equation. Okay. So, cubic equation y cube minus 3y minus 2 is equal to 0. Then after that, we will compare this with this standard equation. And by the comparison, we will have 3uv is equal to 3 and u cube plus v cube is equal to 2. Right? So write down these steps. Is it done, beta? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So next step. Now we want to substitute. That means these are the roots, and we will make a second order equation. So second order equation is t square minus 2t plus 1 equal to 0. So roots are 1 and 1. Means what? U cube and v cube both are 1. So now next, what is y?
2.
2. And substitute this y. X, right beta? So x will be 9. So what about remaining roots? 9 is one of the root. So remaining roots are so remaining roots are what beta?
Ma'am, 6.
Okay. So both are 6. So is it final answer? Is this will be final answer? Can we say these are the roots for the given equation? Hello? So just look at here. So 966 are roots of this equation. It's a roots of this equation, equation 2. But we need to find roots of this original equation 1. So 966 are roots of this equation. 2x cube minus 42x square plus 288x minus 648 equal to 0. So roots for the original equation will be, just do the divide by 6. So roots of original equation is, these roots of original equation are 3 by 2, 1 and 1. Is it okay beta? तो वो मल्टीप्लिसिटी ऑफ 6 नहीं करेंगे और डायरेक्टली करेंगे तो भी यू विल फाइंड दिस आंसर 3 by 2, 1 and 1. Only बीच में may be possible because of fraction you may have little bit mistake or complication. Is it okay beta? All the students, are you clear about this method, Cardan's method?
Yes, ma'am.
So here Cardan's method is also completed. Hello? Cardan's method is finished here. Now what to do beta? तो syllabus is over here. Ferraris method के example हो गए बेटा आपकी क्लास में?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now just we can say that the syllabus is over here. So what to do?